Let's make a new exercise in SolidWorks. Castle hexagon nut. All dimensions are in millimeter. Hexagon H denotes for hexagon height. Material 1060 alloy, aluminium alloy. Fillet 1 millimeter. Chamfer 0.25 into 45 degree. Okay, this is the top view, and you will see there is a hexagon body, and there is a one circular body attached with this hexagon. So this is the inside circle of this hexagon. And height of this hexagon you will see here. This is the hexagon body. We have a half section view. Height 10 millimeter. Okay, this is already mentioned here. And then upper side 8 millimeter, but this is circular. You will see there is inside there is a hole, and this diameter 24, same diameter. And here we have one chamfer 45 degree. So let's do this first. Now activate top plane, sketch. I am going to activate here polygon. Make parameter 6 number and inscribed circle. Press escape key to out and select this upper line horizontal. Smart dimension 24. Activate extruded boss base feature. Start condition same, end condition keep blind, and see the arrow is moving perfect direction. Even though you can keep down, it's up to you. 10 millimeter depth. Okay. Select this face, sketch, activate circle, and here I am going to activate 24 actually. Okay, now this is fully defined sketch. Extruded cut. Now here I am going to choose here blind, and here activate draft 45 degree. Here choose flip side to cut. Now you will see, now you don't need to increase 10, 20, 10 is more than enough to cut this. Say okay, and here we have sketch. Select convert entity. See, the hole is converted, or even though there is a, see this, there is a point, so this is not acceptable. So delete all the edges. Circle, draw one circle, 24, enter. Right click, select and exit. Extruded boss base, and the depth of this 8 millimeters. So keep 8 millimeter, end condition keep blind. Arrow is in perfect direction. Say okay. Okay. Now before going to create inside thread or hole, first let's make this bottom web. You will see 34 diameter, outer diameter. Then there is a one more dimension, 1.85 the height. 10.85 from here to here. This is important. Then 16 millimeter hole is there. Then we will add thread M16 into 2. Right plane, sketch. Now activate line tool. Connect. Exit. Make sure all the lines are horizontal. Now here let me define this, mention 1.85. okay. Now length 34 divided by 2. Fine. Angle 10 degree. This is also fine. Distance from here to this line 10.85. It seems fully defined. Now activate revolve boss base feature. Here we have to choose axis of revolution because I want to make a 360 degree a body. So I'm going to select this vertical line, and you will see the preview, because here by default 360 degree selected. Keep end condition blind. Merge result. If we unmerge, there will be two body. So I want to make one, so keep as it is. That's it. Now let's make hole here. sketch 16, enter. Now activate extruded cut feature and make the depth through all. Okay. Okay. Now you will see there are 6 number of cutouts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and see the location for this. 4 millimeter depth, and there is a gap from this line 0.125. Okay. So okay, right plane is perfect. Sketch, activate here straight slot. Smart dimension 4 millimeter. Now press and hold shift key, select this bottom edge and select this line, and this distance 0.125 millimeter. This is important, and make sure this is bigger than this. So I'm going to make this one, let's say 6. Okay, it's bigger than this. Now here select extruded cut, and it's better to keep up to next. You will see the preview. This is going to cut up to the outer face. Look, circular pattern. Now here we have to choose one reference. So I'm going to select this circular face. Equal spacing 360 degree, 6 number of instances or cutout we need to make. Now here feature. So directly choose from here, or even though drop down the menu and choose from here. You will see the preview, say okay. Look. Now let's apply thread. Okay. Now here first we need to choose edge. So I'm going to select this one edge. We will come here, come blind. I want to make throughout hole. So let's say I selected 20 because I want to make thread throughout. So let's keep little outside so we will get perfect shape. And I want to cut thread. So I'm going to choose here metric tap. M16x2 cut thread. Okay, right hand thread. Look, say okay, and let's see. Now look, upper side is not perfectly cut. So we will do something. Bottom side it's perfect. Edit, right, edit feature, and here I am going to choose offset, and let's add 2 millimeter. Look, this is going downside, so reverse this upside. And at bottom also we need to add 24. Okay, that's more than 23 also enough. Okay, now that's it. Now let's apply fillet. Constant type fillet, and here radius 1 millimeter, and I'm going to select this all the edges one by one. If okay, it's not going to show, so just rotate the model. Okay, now I want to add chamfer, so activate chamfer. Angle distance and dimension 0.25 45 degree, and here we have to choose the edges. So I'm going to select this first, these outer edges. Okay, similarly again I am going to apply everything same, angle distance 0.25 45 degree, and at bottom I am going to select this. Okay, now we finish. Let's apply, right click on material specified, edit material, and aluminum alloy 106. Apply, close. Fillet I am going to apply edit red. delete this face. Here face selected. Now select this edge. Okay. See section view. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.